Hello, I'm Fabrizio, I'm from Podere dell'Anselmo and I'm running the family farm since 1991. We are producing wine and improving our production and developing a synergy between wine production and tourism. As we are near here, good link to Florence. We are here to present two of our wines. The first Chianti, the Chianti Montespertoli. Chianti Montespertoli is the smallest DOCG in the Chianti area. This wine is not just Sangiovese, it's 85% Sangiovese and 15% Colorino. Colorino is a deep structure red wine that is separately vinified with really flesh extraction. And from this wine, from a bleeding of this Sangiovese that is made just after 3 days of maceration, we make also a nice rosé that have together with in this the same style in the taste of a Sangiovese, together with the freshness and a light polyphenol structure that make this more close to a white wine for a tasting experience.
Promosso dalla Camera di Commercio di Firenze.